In this tutorial, I guide you on how to effortlessly locate your Facebook password. Be sure to watch the entire video to avoid any missteps. And remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Now let's get rolling. Firstly, if you can't recall your Facebook password and don't wish to reset it, I'll demonstrate two ways to retrieve it. The first method involves searching for your password in your iPhone settings. This can also be done on an Android device, but for now I'll be using an iPhone. On your iPhone, navigate to Settings, scroll down until you found Password. You'll be prompted to use your Face ID to access your saved passwords. Once you're in, search for Facebook. As you can see, I have one saved password here. To view the password, simply tap on it. If you wish to copy the password, tap on Copy Password and it will be copied to your clipboard. However, if you can't locate your password here, it's likely stored in your Google account password manager. To access this, close the settings and open any web browser. Head over to Google.com and ensure you log it into your Google account. Next, click on your profile picture located at the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. Scroll down to the Security settings and all the way down you'll find the Password Manager. Enter Facebook in the search bar at the top right of the Password Manager. You might be asked to enter your Google account password. Once you've done that, you'll be redirected to a page where your saved Facebook password is disabled. You can tap on the icon to copy the password to your clipboard, or tap on the eye icon to reveal the hidden password. And that's it. That's how you can find your Facebook password with easy.